Hi, I'm Dr. Claudia Kim, cosmetic surgeon here at New Look New Life. We're going to talk about the mommy makeover, which is one of the most common and most customizable procedures we perform. A mommy makeover is not only for moms, it just refers to addressing the abdomen and breasts. The first thing to understand is that a mommy makeover is not a single surgery. It's a combination of procedures designed to restore the body after pregnancy, significant weight loss, or just aging. Pregnancy and breastfeeding can lead to a number of changes in the body. The abdominal wall stretches, called diastasis recti, the muscles can separate, the skin may not fully retract, and the breasts often lose volume or begin to sag. On top of that, there's often areas of stubborn fat that don't respond to diet or exercise. And many of these changes are structural, meaning they can't be corrected with lifestyle alone. Most mommy makeovers focus on the two main areas that I mentioned, the abdomen and the breast. Let's begin with the abdomen. An abdominoplasty or tummy tuck addresses several key concerns at once. It removes the extra skin, it tightens the abdominal wall, and it restores overall contour. One of the most important parts of this procedure is repairing that separated abdominal muscle. During pregnancy, those muscles often separate. Bringing them back together helps create a flatter, stronger core. It's not just about appearance, it's also about structure and support. I commonly hear from women after pregnancy, I go to the gym, I do all these exercises, I watch what I eat, and I'm skinny everywhere else, but my stomach just sticks out. And it's because of that separation in the abdominal wall muscles. In many cases, we combine this with liposuction. And liposuction allows us to contour the waist and the flanks so that the results don't just look flat from the front, but also natural and balanced from all angles. In some patients, we take that a step further. The fat that is removed during liposuction can then be processed and transferred to other areas. Most commonly the hips or the butt, and this helps restore the curves and create a more proportional silhouette. So instead of just removing volume, we're redistributing it in a way that enhances the overall shape. Now let's talk about the breasts. After pregnancy and breastfeeding, the breasts often change in both the volume and its position. And some people may feel deflated, or they notice that it's gotten significantly bigger and it stayed big. Others notice sagging, and some experience both. And depending on the situation, we may recommend different approaches. So a breast augmentation can restore lost volume. A breast lift or mastopexy repositions the breast and tightens the skin around it. And in some cases, a breast reduction may be appropriate if there is that extra size or heaviness to the chest. Often we combine these procedures. So for example, a lift with an implant can restore both the shape and the fullness at the same time, and also the position. Now, we do have to customize these procedures. In regards to customization, this is really where the mommy makeover becomes unique. There is no standard formula that is a cookie cutter for everyone. Some patients may only need a tummy tuck and a breast lift. Others may benefit from a more comprehensive approach that includes the augmentation, liposuction, and fat grafting. The plan is always tailored to the individual's anatomy, their goals, and their lifestyle. So timing and safety. Timing is an important part of the conversation. We typically recommend waiting until you're done having all your kids and no longer breastfeeding for at least 6 months, your weight is stable, and your body has had time to fully recover from pregnancy. Recovery from a mommy makeover is more involved than a single procedure, but most patients are up and moving within a few days. There's a gradual return to normal activity in a few weeks, and results actually continue to improve over the several weeks to months as the swelling resolves and everything begins to settle. A mommy makeover is not about going back to who you were before pregnancy. It's about helping you feel like yourself again, strong, confident, and comfortable in your own body. And when it's done thoughtfully, it can be incredibly empowering. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and follow.